Hello, Peter checking in again. We're on day 22 of our meditation series, and we're talking about, will meditation slow down the speed of my life? Yes. Yeah. If you want it to slow down, yes, it can do. It's taking those moments from moment to moment, seeing that the stress, the anxiety, the trauma, the depression pushes you into a place where you can actually go to the other side and say, actually, I'm going to take my time over this and enjoy this. So is finding your passion and learning to live your life in the way that you want to live it, rather than being dragged away by these negative emotions that change us. And because we get stuck in those emotions, we can't seem to find the consciousness to go over those hurdles to create the life that we want to do. And meditation will help you do that, help you to step back, look at what you're doing, and then go, okay, I can do this. And it will allow you to live the life that you want to do, want to live, rather than living the life that you're being dragged along by, which is awful for anybody. So meditation will help you with that. It will help you to slow everything down, see things rationally, focus your mind to where you want to take your life. Really important. I've created, if you haven't tried it already, I've created a 5 meditation technique webinar that you just click the link below and give it a go. It's absolutely free. And also, if you want to try Qigong, which is the mind body breath connection through moving the body, it's a moving meditation, you can try that if you subscribe and hit the like button, or the notification button, sorry, and you'll get notified each time I put a Qigong class up. So that's it, we're nearly there with this meditation series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.